that should be a story that should be compelling enough. My question is, Ajay.
Mr. Goswami, give me a one-liner as you have quoted.
No. My question is, why does, and Ajay, I want your view. Why does Narendra Modi feel that simply his personal story is not a strong enough story to have political impact?
It is.
Why? 1 minute. Why is the caste factor being invoked? Yesterday, for example, Ajay, it's very interesting. I want your take on it. He makes a reference to Sitaram Kesri and the way he was thrown out of the Congress party. First of all, I never heard any BJP spokesperson ever have sympathy for Sitaram Kesri. And he says,
how much of sympathy they have for Advani?
but did you hear what he said?
What?
Why did he refer to Sitaram Kesri's caste?
No, so you said there's nobody.
Why did he give a caste angle?
This is the new election where everybody has got sympathy for anyone in the other party.
Sure. So Siddharth,
please understand that what the new election is.
Ajay.
Arnav, it is nothing
Congress
new.
is concerned for a lot of
Ajay.
BJP people.
Arnav, it's nothing new. Even before the elections, when he was addressing a rally in Ahmedabad, he very categorically said that ये जातिवादी नेता उत्तर प्रदेश और बिहार के इन्होंने स्टेट को बर्बाद कर दिया. His mentioning of the caste starts from that day. Then he comes to Bihar, he again mentions the caste. कि ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो अगड़ी और बनियों की पार्टी होती थी, एक पिछड़े को नेता बना दिया तो सबके छाती पे सांप लौट गए. He said it for his own party. Now again yesterday he invokes that निचली जाति का होना पाप है. See, it's all nothing. It's all a desperate attempt in somehow in order to just communicate to the voter that I come from pichdi jati, so you vote for me. But the matter of the fact is, it's a matter of convenience, no matter when you use it, when you want to encash it. But the problem with him is that he tried to encash it, but it's backfiring. Even it is in Bihar or in UP. So they are not able to digest it. And they will use each and every card, even communal card or caste card.
But y'all also can only talk about him saying, be afraid of him, he will kill the minorities, he will do X. What is the point? In politics this time, what I'm saying as an outsider, the leaders, as an
outsider. By which stretch are you an outsider?
I'm not in any political party.
You are as
please.
As much part of the Modi camp as can be.
I am not in any political party. How often am I going to say it? But as far as I'm concerned, look, this time it's most unfortunate the way the leaders of every single party are setting a very bad standard for politics.
That is precisely what you talk about the BJP.
That is precisely
after saying what she has said. After saying what she has done. No, 1 second. When somebody told her that Mr. Modi said you're like your daughter, he didn't say it, okay, but she immediately responded. Rajiv Gandhi, literal. What was metaphorical was taken literal by Priyanka, and then it was found he didn't say it. All right, fine, over and out. Same thing here. If Priyanka just said it and Mr. Modi then says, no, I will still throw the caste card, I'm with you. I'll be against him. He has responded in a manner where he thought. Now, if Priyanka says I didn't mean it, matter comes to an end.
Sunil, I can't understand. 1 minute, Arnab. I can't believe that Sunil is being so irrational today. He usually is, but today you're picking it.
When he said Priyanka is like my daughter, what was Priyanka's response?
Priyanka Gandhi's statement, I read it out to you, Arnab read it out to you.
What was her response?
What clarification do you need? She doesn't have to clarify to Mr. Modi. Mr. Modi needs to explain to the people of India what is he doing by twisting some basic language uttered and giving it a complete caste color.
What was Priyanka's response when somebody said, Mr. Modi said you're like my daughter? What was his response?
This issue has been discussed all day long by all TV channels because people are astounded by how ridiculously stretched matter.
No, here's a question.
His own logical political goals.
Now, 1 second. One thing which appears apparent to me. One thing which appears.
It's goodbye development. Hello communalism. I want to give a big hug to casteism. That is what Mr. Modi is doing. India is seeing Mr. Modi's true color.
Sudhindra Badoria and Siddharth Singh are coming in. My question at this stage is this. Yesterday, Modi says Sonia humiliated Sitaram Kesri. He belonged to a backward class like me. He was thrown on the roads. Please tell me, A, was Sitaram Kesri thrown out because he was a backward class? B, which BJP leader raised Sitaram Kesri as being a backward class, being the reason for him being thrown out in the past? C, did Narendra Modi at any point of time before this say that Sitaram Kesri was from a backward class and hence removed as a Congress party president? And does this prove D, that a caste spin is being given at every stage? Siddharth, the floor is yours. Floor is yours at this stage of the election.
Never before that did Modi give it a spin. His interpretation today started it.
Siddharth is responding. Siddharth.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Well, it's a reality. There is a feudal mindset in the Congress and they don't treat the other who belonged from a lower caste. And this Mr. Modi had said about almost 4 months back when we had a national council. If you recall it and you rewind, you will come to know about it. But the crux of the issue is that yes, Sitaram Kesri was thrown, insulted, and the arrogance of Congress was visible. Now that arrogance of Congress was again referred to the Andhra Pradesh former Chief Minister, to which Priyanka Gandhi or Priyanka Vadra Gandhi reacted to it and said, oh, I will not take the insult because ye niche politics. Now that niche
Siddharth, once again you got caught there. No, you got caught there, Siddharth. Siddharth, 1 minute. 1 minute, the words used by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are niche. 1 minute are niche Rajniti. 1 minute are low standard.
Please allow me,
1
and then let me refer
what
also.
she said was that Mr. Narendra Modi is indulging in substandard politics. Substandard, low quality, pedestrian, puerile politics. We are talking about guttural level of politics. We are talking about cheap level of conversation. Siddharth Singh, you have no answers today. You have spent the whole program without answering the question as to where did the caste element come in at all. Mr. Modi stands exposed today. I think the whole country which has watched this program of News Hour today will know that Mr. Modi stands exposed today.
If Mr. Jha doesn't understand, what do I do?
The problem with the BJP is that whenever you are asked questions, instead of giving answers, you start pointing fingers at others. Why don't you ask about your own problem?
There's no problem.
What Sharad Yadav did, what Congress did, why Mr. Modi was the prime ministerial candidate? Is it right on his part to use caste during his election campaigning?
Number of times
is that what the message he wants to convey to the world, that this is the kind of a prime ministerial candidate we have?
My last question to Sudhindra Bhadoria. I have 1 minute left, I have been told. I have 1 minute left. So, Mr. Bhadoria, take a question, don't make a comment.
Yes.
Take a question, don't make a comment.
But yes, I have the right to. What's your question? Give you back when
Siddharth lets me. Siddharth, please let me ask a question. Please let me ask a question. Just because I referred to Sanjay Jha in the beginning of the discussion as Siddharth Singh, you've started behaving like Sanjay Jha.
Oh, hang on. I take a serious objection on that, Mr. Goswami.
My question.
Siddharth Singh, your night is made, your day is made. You have been compared with me. God, you're honored.
I have 30 seconds. Why does Mayawati not say vote for development? Why does Mayawati say vote so that a daughter of a Dalit is made the next prime minister? Why does Mayawati ask what caste?
Goswami will be penalized. I'm going to write that it is because of Arnab Goswami.
Mayawati has shown in her rule that when she was the chief minister 4 times, there were no communal rights. She has also shown through development the best expressway built from Delhi to Agra in the entire country, which is a world-class thing.
Yeah, but then say vote for me for that.
People, because
move beyond caste.
They want to invoke caste because they have not been able
and what
to
do you do? What do you do? You keep
Dalits
invoking and re-invoking
and
caste.
they have all along in life stood for a medieval kind of a social system which is based on
okay, we are totally short of time.
Modi has interpreted it as a caste remark and he's responded. And he's responded well to his interpretation.
My question to all the News Hour viewers at the very end of this program is simply this. Could Mr. Modi have avoided the caste spin? Will this help him or will this hit him badly? That's the only question. I want your feedback. Thank you for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.